Greedy Mouse, India. A greedy mouse saw a basket full of corn. He wanted to eat it, so he made a small hole in the basket. He squeezed in through the hole. He ate a lot of corn. He felt full and was very happy. Now he wanted to come out. He tried to come out through the small hole, but could not. His belly was full. He tried again, but it was of no use. The mouse started crying. A rabbit was passing by. It heard the mouse's cry and asked, "Why are you crying, my friend?" The mouse explained, "I made a small hole and entered into the basket. Now I am not able to get out through that hole." The rabbit said, "It is because you ate too much. Wait till your belly shrinks." The rabbit laughed and went away. The mouse fell asleep in the basket. Next morning, his belly had shrunk, but the mouse wanted to eat some corn, so he ate and ate. His belly was full once again. He thought, "Oh, now I will go out tomorrow." The cat was the next passerby. He smelt the mouse in the basket. He lifted its lid and ate the mouse. Suchimukha and the Monkey, India. A gang of monkeys made their home in a mountain slope. When winter came, it brought not only severe cold but also heavy rains. Unable to stand the cold, the monkeys collected red berries growing in the mountain slope. They gathered around the berries and began blowing air at them, thinking they were embers. Watching their vain effort in amusement, Suchimukha, a bird, told them, "You fool, they are not embers but red berries. Why do you waste your energy on them? This will not save you from cold. Go and look for a shelter in a cave or a place free from wind. The clouds are thick and there will be no immediate relief from rain." An old member of the monkey gang angrily told the bird, "Why do you poke your nose in our affairs? Go away." Disregarding the old monkey's anger and not giving room to any other monkey to talk, Suchimukha went on repeating his advice to them to seek shelter elsewhere. Tired with the bird's unwanted advice, one of the monkeys sprang at the bird and bashed him against a rock till he was dead. The Nightingale, Europe. One day, a nobleman caught a nightingale and wanted to put it in a cage. But the bird spoke to him, "Let me go, and I will give you 3 pieces of good advice. It may be of use to you someday." The nobleman agreed to let it go. The nightingale gave him 3 pieces of advice. "Never be sorry for something that cannot be brought back, my lord, and never trust idle words." The nobleman heard the advice and let the nightingale go. The bird flew out and said, "Too bad you let me go. If only you knew about my treasure. I have a very huge, expensive gem under my wing. If you had taken it, you would have become even richer." When the nobleman heard that, he began to regret letting bitterly about the bird go. The nightingale turned towards him and said, "Now I know, master, that you are a greedy and foolish man. You were sorry for something that cannot be brought back, and you believed my idle words. Look at what a little bird I am. How could I be hiding a large gem under my wing?" And after these words, the bird flew away. From white to black, Japan. In those days, when the world was new and young, the crow used to be a white color with stylish feathers curled at ends. Once he went to an owl who was dexterously known for his art of painting and urged the owl to color him with a very fine and unique color. The owl led his customer into the drawing room and put him into a pot of indigo. When the crow was taken out, the ends of his feathers had straightened out, and he was glossy black. The crow was furious. The owl reminded him that he had asked to be dyed in a unique color, but the crow refused to listen and gave the owl a vicious peck. The owl abandoned his business and fled. Since that day, the owl was habituated to escape from his infuriated friends and began to come out only at night to avoid the wrath of his dissatisfied customer.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.